Hey everybody, this is Vale from Echale Porras Productions, and today we're going to be showing you how to make some chocolate mousse. To start off, we're going to be adding 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter into our microwave safe bowl and chop up 6 ounces of good quality semi-sweet chocolate. So now we're gonna add our chopped up chocolate into that same bowl and microwave it in 30-second intervals until it's melted and smooth. Alright, so now we're going to separate 3 large eggs into 2 separate bowls. Now we're gonna add our 3 large egg whites into the bowl of our stand mixer and whisk on medium-high speed until the eggs get foamy. Into our foamy egg whites, we're gonna add in 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar and gradually mix in 1/2 cup of sugar and continue beating on medium-high speed until stiff peaks form. This is what I mean. The egg whites will stand by themselves and will come to a nice little peak. So now we're gonna add in our egg yolks one at a time to our chocolate mixture, mixing until combined. So now we're gonna slowly add in our chocolate mixture to our egg whites and fold it in with a rubber spatula. Be sure to be gentle because you don't want to knock out all the air that we've just whipped into these egg whites. Now into another bowl, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of cold heavy cream and beat this on medium-high speed for a few minutes. And once it starts to thicken up a bit, we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now we're gonna gently fold in our whipped cream into our chocolate mixture. Once again, remember to be gentle as you don't want to knock out all the air that we just whipped up into this. So now we're going to fill up our 5 little containers as evenly as possible. So now we have our mousse divided evenly into our 5 containers, and we're going to just cover each of them with plastic wrap and put them into the fridge for at least 2 hours. And here they are. So to help us do a taste test, we're gonna have the lovely Mrs. Erica come in. Delicious, one of Julio's favorites. You get your own.
Get your own. All right, my turn. She makes some good
I make some good
Well, that's been Chocolate Mousse by Miss Vale of Echale Porras Productions. Thank you for joining us on this video. It's been a while. I know we always say that, and I know we always say we're gonna get started again, but apparently it's a lot more busier than you think. But as always, stay safe, stay awesome, peace.